In this video, our butler is going to give us a tour of the resort here and then take us to our room. Coming up right after this.
Okay. Where we have the shows and different locations of the hotel, so you get to know the place.
Oh, wow, it's pretty.
Very pretty.
Well, that's what everybody.
Yeah.
This is when we've seen this in video.
I think every YouTube video has a picture of that.
Oh, the
That
like
bar.
the lobby area,
Yeah,
the
the
bar.
bar.
Yeah.
Everybody, most of the guests come here. They take that picture like up,
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
up
Okay,
there
yeah.
to,
Yep.
to the bar. It's a nice picture.
Yeah, it is. Very pretty.
Yeah, so in this area, the lobby area, main lobby, we have a Mexican restaurant, a la carte restaurant. You don't need reservation. It's
Okay.
This is the gourmet restaurant,
Okay.
international restaurant a la carte.
Okay.
We serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Okay.
Only for dinner, you need reservation and resto. Okay?
Okay.
We also have Japanese restaurant over there in the corner. It's kind of hibachi or teppanyaki.
Okay.
You need a reservation, not dress code. We also have a sushi buffet in there. You don't need reservation for the sushi,
Okay.
just for the teppanyaki show.
Okay.
All right.
This is the main bar. They're getting ready to open now, and it'll be open until 12 in there. Okay?
Somebody said that that's where all the good liquor was.
Yes. So you get all the goodies here.
That's pretty.
So in this board, you get to see all the information about activities going on in the hotel. Okay? In this part of the board, we have information for the show. We have a different show every day at the theater at 9:30.
Okay.
The theater is that big one over there, and
Okay.
you don't need reservation. You just show up, okay?
Okay.
In this area, you're gonna see what activities going on all over the place, like by the pool, the beach. You can see the time and which activity we're having.
Okay.
We also have the main buffet, that big one over there, the
Okay.
entrance on the left.
Oh.
Open for breakfast from 7 a.m. to 10, lunch 12:30 to 3, and dinner 6:30 to 10.
Okay.
We also have live music at the plaza at 7 p.m. Okay?
Okay.
So that's a good spot for you to listen to good music. We have the bar right there, right?
A quick question for you. Are you a fan of all-inclusive resorts? Let me know in the comments, please. Thanks.
This is the Caribbean Street.
Okay.
You're gonna see different stores next to each other. That building over there, the mini market. We also have snack bar, sports bar, gym, and casino here.
Okay.
Right. So if you go that way, you drive it to the beach.
Okay.
Right. So you're gonna pass by the spa. You're gonna see the spa, which is between the buildings. Big building between the pools. And at the end, right on the beach. This restaurant open like buffet for breakfast and lunch, and for dinner, steak and seafood restaurant a la carte.
Okay.
And you don't need reservation, you just show up, okay? On the right hand, you're gonna see the entrance to the private pool. At the private pool, you have cabanas for body beds.
Okay.
First come, first serve. You don't have to reserve
Okay.
the cabana, okay? We also have the swimmer bar, and behind the swimmer bar, you get the towels for the pool and for the beach with those cards,
Okay.
okay? Also, by the beach, we have a private spa for adults only.
Okay.
We also have cabanas and a bar.
Okay. Okay, so I have a question for you.
Yes.
Does every bar have a specialty drink they make?
Yeah, all the bartenders have their specialty.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you, for example, if you in this bar, we have the bartender. His name is July.
July?
So you just go say, "Can I have your specialty?" He's gonna give you his specialty.
Okay. Okay, so July or Julio?
Well, everybody call him July. But it's Julio. So we also have the chapel. We have Catholic mass every Saturday at 6 p.m.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Remember the gourmet restaurant, right?
Uh-huh.
Right next to the gourmet restaurant, we have every night, like after 6, there is a mixologist over there.
Oh, okay.
So he makes really good drinks.
Okay. We'll check that out.
Yeah.
We're only here 2 nights and then we go to the next Majestic. We're gonna be moving every 2
Next
days.
time we go for a week.
Yeah, next time.
That's so much beer right
Here.
here.
Yeah, it's nice. It's cool here. The water. I think the water is cooling it off, isn't it?
Okay, this is your room right here.
Okay.
Okay, 4107.
Yeah. You also you just go straight, and you also have access to the beach. Go straight that way. And behind the palm trees, you can see those palm trees at the end, right? There is a big club lounge, like a big office in there. You have snacks, drinks, coffee machine, and it is open from 7 a.m. to 10:30 at night. Okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, so let's check with your bracelet. That's your room key. Right here. There you go. So this one in. Sir?
Well, I'm gonna just take a video while I go.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, let me just go over here too.
Just taking a video of the room before we mess it up. Of course, they're gonna clean it tomorrow, so.
Let's see. Oh wow, yeah, they got a chair in here. Shower chair. Very nice. Railings. A railing that goes down. Like up out of the way. Oh, that's very good. Very nice. Oh,
Good.
wow.
You like it?
Yes. Very pretty.
Good.
And a refrigerator.
So I see you have
Oh.
two shirts, two polos here,
Oh,
but
okay.
I will change it tomorrow
Okay.
because the size is small.
Oh.
Yeah.
You
Muy grande.
You just
Google X.
So tomorrow I'm gonna come back to the room and just change it for extra large.
Yeah, probably.
Extra large. In your case, you would like
Oh,
large.
this one's
or-
probably, this
or
one
that
looks
one.
big enough almost, doesn't it?
Yeah, because
What size
those
is
were
that?
like this
Oh,
small, but
huh?
it's small,
Oh,
but
small.
I don't know if you would like to try it
Small
on first.
man or small woman?
Small man.
That's probably, might be
I think
alright.
that'll fit you.
Might fit me
Yeah.
alright. Yeah.
But
Okay.
if you try it on, you let me know.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
So we also have room service included in this room.
Okay.
24 hours. You scan the QR code with your cell phone to see the menu
Okay.
and dial 0 to make the order. Okay?
Okay.
We also have champagne included, mini fridge, refill every day right here. And the safe right here.
Okay.
Okay,
4 digits unlocked. You make your own password. Okay?
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
You also have robes and slippers there.
Okay.
Right, so this is for you to log in on the Wi-Fi,
Okay.
and this is for you to get the towels at the pool,
Okay.
okay? And this is my cell phone number. By
Okay.
WhatsApp or iMessage, you get in contact with me for anything you need.
Okay. All
All right,
right.
you have any question?
No, wish I could stay with you for a week. We're only here for 2 nights, and then we go
I
to the next
wish. Can we
Majestic.
just change up that fly and just stay here for a week? I can help you with the house.
We have 4 more hotels to video. So.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see. Okay, so I'm gonna be around. Anything you need, just let me know, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
See you later.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to
okay?
meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I can look at the patio here before I finish videoing. So I've got coffee, little nuts and coffee,
Champagne, cheese.
champagne and cheese. Wow, sweets. Do you see the sweets? It says Majestic. We have to get photos before we make any messes.
Right.
Yeah, right. It's very good. Okay. Oh, there's a wrap out into the yard.
Yeah.
Oh, this is really cool. Okay. Hopefully the thing is still recording.
Just set the screen, see. I'll be back.
Okay. Cool. Very pretty. Oh, look at it.